This is an urgent warning for anyone who owns a new Jeep 4xe. A truly bizarre mistake at the factory is causing brand new engines to basically eat themselves from the inside out. Stellantis, Jeep's parent company, has now admitted this could lead to sudden, catastrophic engine failure or even a fire. We have the official documents, and I'm going to break down exactly what is happening, which Jeeps are affected, and what you need to do right now to protect yourself. It's one of the strangest mass recalls in recent memory. Nearly 113,000 of Jeep's popular plug-in hybrids are being recalled for a defect that sounds almost made up. Leftover debris from the manufacturing process is destroying new engines. And this isn't some minor glitch. We're talking about an unexpected and unrecoverable loss of propulsion and a serious fire risk. So how does this even happen? It all starts at the engine plant in Mexico. When the engine block is first created, molten metal is poured into a sand cast, which creates the complex internal passages for oil and coolant that keep the engine alive. After the metal hardens, all of that sand is supposed to be washed out completely. But in this case, for nearly 2 years, it wasn't. From around June 2023 to March 2025, engines were assembled with manufacturing debris, widely reported to be casting sand, still trapped inside the block. The moment those engines are started, oil begins to circulate, carrying that abrasive material with it. Think of it like pumping liquid sandpaper through your engine's veins. This gritty mixture grinds away critical bearings, cylinder walls, and other precision parts. Over time, this relentless wear leads to what the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, calls catastrophic engine failure. The damage is internal, permanent, and it's happening to some of Jeep's most advanced and expensive vehicles. The consequences for drivers are terrifying. Before a total failure, you might hear an abnormal knocking sound or see a check engine light pop up. But often, the end comes without much warning. As of October 2025, Stellantis was aware of 36 engine fires, 50 incidents of complete power loss, and 3 injuries potentially tied to this defect. Imagine cruising down the highway and your engine just seizes, leaving you stranded. Or worse, parking your brand new SUV only to have it catch fire in your driveway. This is the reality for dozens of owners and a potential risk for thousands more. If you own a newer Jeep 4xe or know someone who does, this information is absolutely critical. And if you're finding this breakdown helpful, please subscribe. It helps us get this vital safety information out to more people who need to hear it. Facing a mountain of evidence, Stellantis issued a massive recall covering 112,859 vehicles in the U.S. Specifically, the recall affects the 2023 to 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe and the 2024 to 2025 Jeep Wrangler 4xe. That's roughly 76,000 Wranglers and nearly 37,000 Grand Cherokees. The official advice from Stellantis and safety regulators is pretty chilling. They have urged owners to stop driving these vehicles and, crucially, to park them outdoors and away from any buildings to prevent a potential fire from spreading. But here's the biggest problem. Right now, there is no fix. The official remedy is still under development because the contamination is baked so deeply into the engine. Many experts believe the only real solution will be a complete engine replacement, since you can't just flush out every grain of sand once it's been circulated. A class action lawsuit has already been filed, arguing that very point. Owner notification letters are expected to be mailed out around the end of December 2025. But that letter will only confirm the risk, not offer a solution. This is a staggering failure of quality control. A fundamental step in the manufacturing process was apparently botched for almost 2 years, putting thousands of drivers at risk and creating an absolute nightmare for one of America's most iconic brands. The fallout from this is far from over, as a real fix could be months or even longer away. If you own a 2023 to 2025 Grand Cherokee 4xe or a 2024 to 2025 Wrangler 4xe. The most important thing you can do is confirm if your vehicle is part of this recall. Go to the official NHTSA website and enter your vehicle identification number, VIN. Please heed the warnings. Park your Jeep outside and away from your home. Have you been dealing with this issue? Let everyone know in the comments below. Stay safe out there.